Welcome to my YouTube channel, Shari's Math Academy. Today I'm doing the grade 11, the 10th chapter, that is share market, right? Stock market, share market, both are same, right? Right. Do you have an idea about the share market, stock market? Hmm? Right. What is share market? I'll explain in brief, okay? Right? Okay. Now share market issues share, right? Big companies, Telecom, Lankabel, HNB, Sampath Bank, likewise, they have a lot of there are a lot of big companies. They need money to expand their businesses, right? Likewise, they have a lot of things to they need money. So they call outsiders to get the ownership by issuing shares, right? So from the share market, they issue the share. Now, assume this is the buyer. This is me. I want to buy the share. I can't go to the stock market at once and can't get the shares. I have to go through a broker. Broker gets the shares from the share market. Broker gets the shares from the share market. Then he sells. Now he assumes that he gets the shares for 10 rupees and selling for 10 rupees, par value. Or above the par value, 12 rupees, 8 less than the par value. They sell the shares. Then we buy. Right? Once I get the shares, then he will inform that X person, this X bought some shares from HNB, then dividend, then stock market will pay the dividend, share per share, dividend 4 rupees per share, like that, they will pay the dividend. Okay, dividend means the profit, but we don't call that as profit. In share market lesson, we call that as dividend. Okay, that's how the brief idea about the share market, right? Within 1 minute, I gave what is share market. Right now, we'll see now. This is the easiest lesson in grade 11. Right? Okay. We'll do some examples for this. Look at the first example. That when you have a share market in the exam, now when you read the question, this is share market per share, blah blah blah, right? So you draw 3 circles like this, right? Share market buyer, this is buyer, and this is broker. Sorry, broker, and this is buyer, and this is share market. Okay, broker gives the buyer, and share market pays the dividend. That is the structure of the question. Now we fill this. See, company annual dividend is 4 rupees. 4 rupees per share. Right? 10 rupees. 10 rupees shares is issued. Then the broker pays 100 rupees. Broker's value, the market value is 100. You put 100, which Vishwa bought 5,000 shares. Vishwa has bought 5,000 shares, no, not rupees, shares from the company. First one, find the annual income that Vishwa receives through his investment. He has invested 500 into 100. Right? 5,000 into 100, 5,000 shares. Right? What is the dividend they pay? How they pay the dividend? For number of shares, 5,000 into 4 rupees per share. 5,000 into 4, 20,000 is the annual income of Vishwas. Right? Next one, express Vishwas annual income as a percentage as a percentage of the amount he invested. What is the invested amount? 5,000 shares he bought for 100 rupees. Investment is 500,000. what they are asking the percentage. Then 20,000 over 500,000 into 100. Then you can simplify this. 4 zeros, 4 zeros, 1 0, divided by 2, that is 4%. Very easy. Okay? You to get a clear picture, always draw the structure of the stock market and fill the values. Then it's easy when there is a stock market question. Right. I assume you can understand that example. We'll go to another example. Just a minute. Yes. Now, this is a stock market question. We'll draw the 3 circles. These circles. Okay. Right. Mr. Pereira, who invests in the stock market, bought 2,000 shares. 2,000 shares may have got. Right? You put the circles. In the certain company, when the market price is 20, market price is 20. When the market price of the share increased to 20, market price increased up to 25. Then he sold all his shares now. He sold his shares, right? Okay. Now we'll answer the questions one by one. Find the amount Mr. Pereira invested in the company. 2,000 into 20. That is 40,000. I assume that is clear. Find the amount he made by selling the shares. He sold for 25 into 2,000. That is 50,000. He's spent 40,000 to buy the share. Now he has invested, earned 50,000. What is the capital gain? 50,000. This amount subtract the 40,000. There you get 40,000. And next one, expresses capital gain by gain as a percentage of this investment. But what is the investment? 40,000. Capital gain 10,000 as a percentage multiplied by 100. So you can cancel 4 zeros, then divide 100 by 4, that is 25%. Right? See, now the easy question there, by looking at the structure, you can answer the questions. Right. I assume you can understand this lesson very well. Right? If you have any clarifications, comment on that. And subscribe my video channel, then you can get my future lessons also. Thank you for watching my video.